Welcome to the world of Subway, the largest sandwich chain in the world, present in over 100 countries. With the slogan "Eat Fresh," Subway is known for allowing customers to customize every element of their sandwich, from bread and meats to veggies and sauces. Behind every delicious sub is a well-organized and automated system that ensures consistent quality and flavor, whether you're eating in New York or Tokyo. Our journey begins inside a Subway bread production factory, where fresh sandwich rolls are made daily. Here, ingredients such as flour, water, yeast, and oil are poured into large industrial mixers. Spiral kneading arms blend everything evenly, following Subway's exact recipe. The dough is then divided into equal portions and sent through shaping machines to form the signature baguette shape. Next, the dough is placed in a proofing chamber, a temperature and humidity-controlled environment where it rises naturally. After proofing, it enters a long tunnel oven where the bread is baked until golden brown and aromatic. After baking, the bread moves along cooling conveyors and is then vacuum-sealed or packaged for distribution. At the same time, the factory also prepares the fillings. Deli meats are sliced with precision slicers, fresh vegetables are washed and cut, and sauces like honey mustard or chipotle are mixed and bottled using closed, hygienic systems. Everything is then packaged, refrigerated, and transported to Subway stores around the world daily. Now, let's visit a typical Subway store to see how each sandwich is prepared to order. As customers walk in, they first choose the type of bread they want: white, honey oat, or Parmesan oregano. A staff member slices the bread, places the meat and cheese, and toasts it if the customer requests. Next comes the fun part: customization. Customers can choose from lettuce, tomatoes, onions, cucumbers, bell peppers, and black olives. Finally, a variety of sauces, barbecue, mayo, chipotle, and more, are added based on preference. The sandwich is then neatly wrapped in Subway's signature paper, ready to enjoy. From factory to storefront, from production to service, Subway offers not just a sandwich, but a fresh and personalized food experience. That's the secret to why millions of people around the world choose Subway every day. Thank you for joining us on this behind-the-scenes look into the world of Subway.